So hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I will show you how to add partition in your video. I mean how to make part of video. Let me give you example. When I go to my channel, pause this video. Where is videos? This video. So this is
Hello
the
guys, welcome to this
partition.
channel. I'm your host.
So this is the partition intro. Here is outro. So this is the partition. So in this video I will show you how to make partition. So for that you have to go to back to which video you have to make part. Let me see. For example, let's see this one. This video I recently added. Because I don't have tripod stand, so please bear with me. This video is I recently, so all you have to do is edit. After that you have to write in description intro like this 0 intro. For that you have to play your video. Where is your video? Let me type randomly video. Let's see. Mhm. Let's see, my video started from 0.5 seconds. Sorry. Oh, what the hell. 5 seconds. And my outro is for example, let's see. Outro. So this 450 450. Okay, after that you have to save your video. After that go back to your video and you can see partition here, intro. Here is your video, outro. You can make many parts in video, and instead of intro, video and outro you can write another things like, okay, I will show you something. For example, I want to add another things in between this, like this video, language language and here I want to do 20. Okay, so after that I save it. Okay, back. So you can see here my another partition. Here intro, video and language. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.